Investing in cryptocurrency can be profitable, but it's essential to approach it with caution and a well-thought-out strategy. Here are some key steps to potentially make money through cryptocurrency investments. 1. Research. Start by understanding the cryptocurrency market. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, their technology, use cases, and the teams behind them. Stay updated on market trends and news. 2. Diversify. Avoid putting all your money into a single cryptocurrency. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Consider investing in a mix of established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as promising altcoins. 3. Long-term perspective. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. It's often more profitable to hold your investments for the long term rather than trying to time short-term price fluctuations. 4. Use reliable exchanges. Choose reputable cryptocurrency exchanges to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Security is crucial. Use hardware wallets or secure wallets to store your assets. 5. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and have a clear exit strategy. 6. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on regulatory changes in your region regarding cryptocurrencies. Compliance is essential to avoid legal issues. 7. Avoid FOMO and hype. Don't invest based on hype or fear of missing out, FOMO. Conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. 8. Learn technical analysis. Understanding technical analysis can help you make informed trading decisions, although it's not foolproof. 9. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about your investment strategy, consider consulting a financial advisor or cryptocurrency expert. 10. Monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor your investments and adapt your strategy as needed. The cryptocurrency market evolves rapidly. Remember that cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's crucial to approach cryptocurrency investment with a well-informed and cautious mindset.